This is the What's It All About Immunisation flipbook, which I believe will be a really fantastic resource for you to use, having complex conversations with parents and patients about immunisations and why they're so important.
So we saw a need for something for clinicians to use to talk through the complex conversations around vaccinations to support with the major changes to the childhood immunisation routine schedule, and also the fact that across London, vaccine coverage is low and vaccine hesitancy is high.
The flipbook starts with an overview of the routine childhood schedule. This helps to support parents because they can sometimes feel overwhelmed by the number of infections we're vaccinating their children against. The most common one is the MMR and autism, which we've tried to structure so that patients see we have this as a ready resource on our desks that we can talk them through, and hopefully that engenders some trust in what we're saying. Sometimes patients will be concerned that the vaccines in themselves can cause the disease, so we have a section on vaccine safety. We found this page very useful, which illustrates what is actually within the vaccination.
Sometimes you get patients who may not come in for their immunisations. I've often had diabetic patients who've come in, and actually by having this book, it's been an encouragement for them to then be interested in their pneumonia vaccine, for example, that they were not interested in before.
And I've found having a material resource with everything explained so clearly has really helped build trusting relationships with parents, much more so than when I look things up digitally and share with them. I found that the response to having it written down and having the illustrations has been very, very warmly received.